Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lotus bloom. First, begin by preparing your lotus seeds. Gently scarify the hard outer shell of each seed using sandpaper or a small file until you see the lighter inner layer. Next, place the scarified seeds in a container of warm water, changing the water daily to prevent mold. Within a few days to a week, you should observe germination, with small roots and shoots emerging. Once your lotus seeds have germinated and developed a few leaves, it is time for planting. Choose a wide, shallow container, ideally at least 18 inches in diameter, to allow for root spread. Fill this container with about 4 to 6 inches of heavy clay garden soil, gently burying the sprouted seed. Submerge the entire pot into a larger water-filled container, ensuring the soil surface is covered by 2 to 4 inches of water. Lotus plants thrive in abundant sunlight, requiring a minimum of 6 hours of direct sun exposure each day to encourage robust growth and flowering. Once your lotus is established and has several leaves, begin fertilizing. Use specialized aquatic plant fertilizer tabs, inserting 1 or 2 tabs deep into the soil every 3 to 4 weeks, being careful to avoid direct contact with the plant's crown or roots. Consistent care is key to a flourishing lotus. Regularly check and maintain the water level, refilling as necessary to replace water lost to evaporation. Promptly remove any yellowing or dead leaves and spent flowers to encourage new growth and prevent disease. With proper care, your lotus should begin to produce its magnificent blooms from late spring through early autumn, offering a spectacular display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.